Hey everybody, it's Matt here. Just kind of want to do something a little bit different today. So one of our neighbors lives just up the street from us, suffered a stroke a number of years ago prior to us moving here, and he's been having to negotiate a pretty relatively small step. For some of you know that I'm a physical therapist by training. My wife is an occupational therapist by training. And we've been kind of watching, and we've asked them if there's anything that we could do to help them out, and finally they were willing to let us put in a ramp. So the original plan was I was going to build the ramp out of 2x4s and all that, but we ultimately decided to go with an actual mobility ramp. So I found one, went down to Austin today, picked it up, and I'm going to surprise him. Today's Veterans Day. He's a veteran, and I wanted to kind of really install it today and see what they think. So here's the ramp. It's nothing terribly exciting. It's 30 inches wide and it's 72 inches long. The stair that we have to negotiate, or the little step up, is about 5 inches. So this will be more than sufficient as far as the rise and run. So what we're going to do here in a little bit is take it over and put it in. Alright, so here's an example. We only have like a 3-inch little threshold step, as you can see right there, and this is what it'll look like in front. There's actually very little issue. This should be perfect for what we're trying to achieve, just so that you can enter and exit the house without having to step up and over that threshold. So we'll take it over here in a few minutes. Alright, there it is installed. What we did is we drilled in the 2x4. It's got a couple of mason screws into the concrete pad, and then it's got a pretty flush edge, so we put glow-in-the-dark tape where the edge of the step is, and then on the edge of the ramp, and then on the corner, and then grip tape. I ran out of it, so I gotta get some more, and then some more glow-in-the-dark tape at the bottom. So, not too bad. Happy Veterans Day.